In experiencing Mobile World Congress, some things remain crystal clear. Clients need to continue to improve customer experiences almost on a daily basis. The need to innovate manifests itself in ways to control costs and yet deliver new capabilities and services, all at a frenetic pace with competitors coming in all shapes and sizes. I thought it might be nice to talk about this, and there was nobody better to have this conversation with than our Vice President of Strategy, Marisa Viveros. Marisa, what do you think is next? How do people cope?
You know, when we look at the market and look at our client pain points, we look at three imperatives: client engagement, network and platforms, right? How they make themselves more efficient, and how they transform their enterprises, their workforce, their processes, and so on. So if we look at what we are doing now at Mobile World Congress, it's really a representation of our strategy. You know, we have examples like Vodafone with virtual assistant using cognitive and Watson at the core of the solution. We have a solution with Mercedes, the stadium experience, on how people in young generation will experience sports as they move forward in the industry. It's just, to me, the possibilities are endless. We are looking at our strategy is looking at it from a two perspectives. One is improving operations with network cognitive operations, and adding smartness to the operator so they can perform their functions in a truly. And then the second one is and what you like so much, the NFV transformation, and preparing our clients for 5G, for IoT, for new applications like AR, VR. You know, having a real software-based network that allows us to put clients in a position to deliver services in days instead of months, in minutes instead of hours, and making that much more,
so dare I say, we call that a living network.
Indeed,
right?
that was you coined that term, and it's truly a living network. For every one of our clients, operators, CSP, to survive in that environment, they need to become very, very effective and efficient.
With IBM, we created a strategic partnership. It's a 5-year endeavor, and we will develop artificial intelligence-based services. There's a two-faceted approach. One is a garage place where we create ideation for new services, and one is a factory approach where we can then develop and service and bring them to market and scale them internationally.
I think there are two main lessons for innovators right now. The first is that internet, IoT, mobility, AI. It's not an enabler and it's not a new channel. It's a new periodic element, a new building block like carbon. And because of that, we can make new technology that we've never been able to even dream of before.
Well, using AI technology to match people with the wines they like, we can also use our methodology to match coffee, tea, chocolate, cheeses, all sorts of things. The important thing about AI, though, to know is that it's only as intelligent as the data that you put in, so it's important that the data is really solid.
More and more companies struggle to get their services GDPR compliant. Data anonymization is a great service that we offer to third parties so that they can also anonymize their data going through our platform and give their consumers then a better and richer experience based on something that is absolutely safe to use from a data protection perspective. And that opens a lot of new business models for other telcos in Europe and the whole world.
Wimbledon's strategy for delivering excellent fan engagement has been based around the idea of creating digital experiences that are the next best thing to being there, working closely with our technology partner IBM on making sure that we are leading edge in terms of the way we adapt technology, but also more and more putting the fan at the heart of everything that we do.